Now we're doing central tendencies for data handling. You'll be given the scores after collecting data. That, like for instance, here are the scores for English tests in percentages for level 2. So the first one is 68, 54, 65, 80, 45, 84, 72, 48, 52, 62, 68, 46, 63, 70, 83. If you are given scores like that, in other words, you have to rearrange all these scores from smallest to largest. That is the first step. In whatever question that you are asked from the central tendencies, rearrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Like for instance, the first one now will be 45, followed by 46, 48, 52, 54, 63, 64, 65, 68, 68, 70, 72, 80, 83, and the last one is 84. Okay, fine, now they are arranged. Then you count how many scores are here. If you can check here, they all together, they are 15 scores. The smallest is 45 and the largest is 84. Okay, the first central tendency is the mean. What is the mean for all these scores? First of all, I have to define to you the meaning of the mean. The mean is the total number of all scores divided by the number of scores. It means that you add all these scores together, then you get one total. Then you count how many scores are there. It means that the total will, like for instance here there are 15. The total will be divided by 15. Like now I'm trying to add. Let's add all these numbers together. Take your calculator. 45, 46 plus 48 plus 52 plus 54 plus 63 plus 64 plus 65 plus 68 plus 68 plus 70 plus 72 plus 80 plus 83 plus 84 divided by 15. It means that you have to get the total first before dividing, because we have got different calculators. You have to get the answer, which is the total of all the scores. In other words, the answer will be 962. Then divide by 15, which is equal to 64.13%. To the nearest is 64%, because the instruction always says round off to the nearest 2 decimal places. Okay, that's the mean for this scores. Now we're moving to the median. What is the word median mean? What does it mean? The median is the middle score. In other words, if you have done your work much easier by arranging all the scores from smallest to largest, now you simply write them as they are, that you have arranged from the first step, smallest to largest. Then because they are 15 all, it means that you 7 this side and 7 this side. So the middle one is the 8th score, which is equal to 65%. But in some cases, when you are given that the scores are 16 or 8 or 4, that's an even number. It means that if they are 8, there will be 4 scores this side and 4 scores this side. Then you settle these 2 scores. You get the total in the middle, you get the total, then you divide by 2. Like for instance, you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What will be the median there? You say 2 plus 3. You get the total is 5. Then 5 divided by 2, it's 2,5. Okay, let's move to the range. What is the range? The range is the highest score minus the lowest score. What is the highest score? Now it's much easier because you are taking from the work that you have done. You've made your work very easy by arranging from the smallest to the largest. Now you can see that the largest is 84% and the smallest is 45%. Okay, 84 minus 45 is equal to 39%. Okay, then let's move to the last central tendency, which is the mode. What does the term mode mean? It means a score that appears most. In other words, the score that appears so many times than the others. It may appear 5 times, it may appear 3 times, while others are appearing far less than them, that number. Okay, if you have arranged in the first place from smallest to largest, here are our scores. As you can see, which number is repeated, it appears the most here. So you can see that that number is twice, it's 68%. Okay, fine, thank you. That's the end for our lesson for today. Now go to a summative assessment at the end of this module and do question 9. I thank you.